Anyone with a workshop or tool shed should have a cordless drill for DIY repairs, especially for DIY home improvements. With so many options available, we're here to help you choose the best one for your needs. All the links can be found in the description below for more details. Number 20. Milwaukee 2904. This hammer drill is a part of Milwaukee's 4th generation M18 fuel series, brings notable improvements across the board. It now offers 1,400 pounds of torque, an increase of 200 pounds of torque, and a top speed of 2,100 RPM, which is 100 RPM faster than its predecessor. Additionally, the hammer rate has been boosted to 33,000 beats per minute, 1,000 beats per minute higher than before. A key new feature is the introduction of auto stop kickback control, which helps prevent the drill from over-rotating during bind-ups, providing added safety. What's truly impressive is that Milwaukee achieved these performance maintaining the drill's compact size, with a head length of just 6.9 inches, but still the tool has even more room for further performance improvements. Number 19. Makita 18-volt cordless Combi. This two-piece kit includes a brushless motor combi drill and impact driver, offering solid performance with a focus on simplicity and control. The combi drill features a 2-speed gearbox and rings for hammer, drill, and screw functions, providing versatility for various tasks. It has a max torque of 42 Newton meters for drilling and 140 Newton meters for driving screws, with speeds of 1,400 revolutions per minute and 2,300 revolutions per minute respectively. Despite being on the heavier side for a combi drill, it is well balanced and performed smoothly on both wood and brick in our tests. The impact driver, with a maximum torque of 140 Newton meters, is even simpler to use, with speed control based on trigger pressure. However, the battery life could be a downside, as it offers just 1.3 amp hours of power with a 60-minute charge time and isn't compatible with newer Makita LXT tools and chargers. Number 18. Dewalt Xtreme 12V. This drill driver kit stands out for its power, comfort, and convenience, outshining other drills we tested. It drilled 30 holes of 1 inch through a 2x10 on a single battery charge, proving it can handle nearly any task around the house. Plus, it's tough enough for small projects like decking repairs. While other drills had similar power, the Dewalt DCD701F2 really shines in terms of ergonomics and user-friendly features. Its molded handle fits comfortably in the hand. The battery design allows the drill to stand upright when not in use, unlike others like the Bosch PS31-2A 12 volts, which need to be laid on their side. And the LED light is perfectly placed to illuminate the work area. Number 17. Bosch PS31-2A12V. If the Dewalt DCD701F2 is unavailable or not within your budget, the Bosch PS31 drill driver kit is a strong alternative. While it doesn't drill as many 1-inch holes per charge as the Dewalt, it still offers more than enough power for typical home improvement tasks like drilling into wood, drywall, or light masonry. The Bosch is about 5 ounces lighter than the Dewalt, but due to its design, the balance feels a bit off. The battery slides into the handle, making the grip bulkier and less contoured compared to the Dewalt. Additionally, the LED light on the Bosch isn't as bright or well positioned, making it harder to illuminate your work area. Despite these small drawbacks, it has a proven track record for reliability. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Number 16. Black Plus Decker Cordless Combi Hammer Drill Kit. This cordless drill offers excellent value, earning a 9x10 rating. It includes a hammer function for added versatility, though the placement of the drill bit holder is inconvenient. The drill is powered by an 18 volts 1.5 amperes hour battery, which takes 1 hour and 50 minutes to charge, and features a brushless motor. It weighs 1.1 kilograms, bare tool, and delivers a maximum torque of 45 Newton meters, with no load speeds of 1,550 revolutions per minute. The 13mm chuck and 12-position clutch make it suitable for screw driving and drilling in wood, up to 25mm, steel, up to 10mm, and masonry, up to 8mm. By rotating the function ring, you can activate the hammer function, while a top-mounted switch allows you to switch between 2 speeds. A small LED light is built into the base to illuminate the work area, and there's also a drill bit holder. Number 15. Flex FX 1270 PS31. The Flex Hammer Drill is one of the brand's most powerful tools in its newer lineup. With a top speed of 2,500 RPM and a maximum torque of 1,400 pounds, it delivers exceptional performance for both light and heavy-duty tasks, making it highly versatile. At 7.1 inches in length, it's a reasonable size, though the tool feels noticeably heavier once the battery is installed compared to many competitors. Despite its weight, the drill offers impressive power and value, making it a great choice for professionals who need reliable performance. Number 14. Ryobi 1 Plus 18V Cordless Drill. This drill may be compact, but its size is deceiving. With 20 clutch settings, it's adaptable for various tasks, offering a low speed of 350 RPM and a higher speed reaching 1,300 RPM. The low torque option is perfect for delicate materials like fiberboard and particle board, preventing damage that could be caused by a more powerful drill. A standout feature is its slim battery design, which gives the PS31-2A a pistol grip handle, allowing it to easily fit into tight spaces. It comes with 2 batteries, so you always have one ready to swap out when the other runs low. These smaller batteries also make the drill lightweight, which was particularly useful when installing high closet doors, something that would have been difficult with a heavier drill, although it doesn't have a belt clip. Number 13. Dewalt Flexvolt DCD999. This Dewalt Flexvolt Advantage hammer drill may look similar to its predecessor, the DCD997, but it has some impressive upgrades. With a top speed of 2,000 RPM, 1,219 unit watts out, and 38,200 beats per minute, it delivers a 40% increase in performance compared to previous models. This drill features 3 gear modes to adapt to different tasks and gives you manual control over the foot-mounted LED light for better visibility. What sets the DCD999 apart is its flexibility when it comes to power options. It works with 60-volt Flexvolt batteries, standard 20-volt batteries, and even the newer PowerStack pouch cell batteries, offering more versatility than many other drills on the market. Number 12. Ryobi R18IDBL-0 18 volts 1+. Impact drivers are great for driving screws directly into wood without the need for a pilot hole, which is something I've struggled with in the past. I was curious to see how Ryobi's impact driver performed. While it isn't as well balanced as the Makita model, it offers better control and is much quieter, except at its highest setting. The tool has 3 settings for torque: 50 Newton meters, 100 Newton meters, and 270 Newton meters, with a maximum torque of 515 inch-pounds. It also has 2 speed settings with a top speed of 1,750 RPM. One standout feature is the 4th setting, which is ideal for decking projects. The battery, though slightly large for such a compact tool, is compatible with other tools in the Ryobi 18V 1+ range, like vacuums and grinders. It's a versatile and affordable option for DIYers. Number 11. Makita FD07R112V. This 12-volt brushless cordless driver drill kit stands out for its lightweight compact design, making it ideal for smaller jobs. At just 6.5 inches long and weighing 2.3 pounds, it fits comfortably into tight spaces where many other drills can't reach, thanks to its ergonomic grip. The drill's brushless motor optimizes the 12-volt lithium-ion battery, providing ample power for everyday tasks like drilling holes to hang pictures. The 12-volt 2-amp-hour battery lasted for 35 minutes of continuous drilling before showing any signs of exhaustion after drilling holes repeatedly. While the Makita's power and torque are slightly less than the 18-volt and 20-volt models we tested, it proved surprisingly powerful for a 12-volt cordless drill. Though it isn't the cheapest option, the Makita FD07R1 offers good battery life, excellent balance, and is well suited for most DIY projects. Number 10. Worx Nitro 18V. Despite its small design, it's equipped with impressive features that make it suitable for both light-duty and more demanding tasks. The drill includes torquey control, a progressive trigger, and a 2-speed gearbox, making it easy to manage various tasks like driving screws or drilling into wood. It also comes with a hammer function for masonry work and a 450 RPM low speed and 2000 RPM high speed setting. Ideal for DIY projects, especially in tight or awkward spaces, the tool is lightweight and ergonomically designed, especially suitable for users with smaller hands. The LED light on the handle adds convenience when working in dim areas, while the 20-volt battery charges in about an hour and is compatible with other tools in the Worx 20 volts range. Overall, it is an excellent all-rounder that offers great value for most household projects. Number 9. Hercules HCB92B. This is the new Hercules 20-volt hammer drill from Harbor Freight. With a bare tool price that makes it highly affordable and backed by a standard 5-year limited warranty, it's no surprise people are comparing this tool to premium brands like Milwaukee. Boasting impressive specs such as 1,200 pounds of max torque, 2,000 RPM, and 32,000 BPM beats per minute. This drill delivers serious power. The half-inch Jacobs ratcheting chuck performs reliably, while the all-metal gear construction ensures durability and long-term performance. It's a solid contender for DIYers and professionals alike, offering great value for the power and features it provides. Number 8. Ridgid 18-volt cordless drill. If you're looking for a drill that offers great value without breaking the bank, the Ridgid R861152 is an excellent option. Despite its affordable price, this drill delivers solid performance, excelling in drilling and driving tasks. In testing, it completed 63 holes, surpassing the Dewalt DCD800E2, though it did take a little longer. After driving 200 screws, the 2 Ah 18 volts battery still had plenty of power left, suggesting it could easily handle more work. While the charger and bag feel a bit cheap and the battery is on the bulkier side, the drill itself is lightweight, has long battery life, and offers impressive performance for its price. Featuring an 18-volt voltage, 2 Ah battery, and a 1/2-inch chuck size, it's perfect for DIYers or light-duty projects. Weighing 2.94 pounds, it's comfortable to handle, and with a max chuck size of 1/2 inch, it handles a variety of tasks with ease. If you're drilling into wood or driving screws, this tool is reliable for everyday use. Number 7. Metabo BS 18LTX3. This is a great drill despite its awkward name. If we focus solely on concrete drilling performance, this model easily comes out on top. With a maximum speed of 3,800 RPM, it outperforms the competition in both our quick-in and concrete bit tests. The drill offers a maximum torque of 60 Newton meters, making it powerful enough for a wide range of tasks. Its LIHD battery packs are highly regarded for their reliability, providing up to 100% longer runtime compared to standard lithium-ion batteries. The drill also features 3-speed settings, allowing users to adjust it for various applications, as well as a 2-speed gearbox for flexibility in speed and torque. Electronic overload protection helps prevent damage during intense use, ensuring durability for heavy-duty tasks. However, it is a larger and heavier drill weighing 2.2 kilograms, and it doesn't come cheap. Number 6. Hilti SF10W22. It is powered by Hilti's new 22-volt Neuron platform, offers impressive versatility with 4-speed settings, 330, 560, 1300, and 2230 RPM. It's ideal for tasks ranging from mixing to high-speed drilling, and features active torque control for anti-kickback protection, making it a strong contender for heavy-duty applications. However, it's notably larger and heavier, weighing 4.8 pounds as a bare tool, 7.7 pounds with the battery, and lacks the hammer function commonly found in other drills in its class. While it's an excellent option for pros seeking a robust drilling tool, the lack of hammer functionality and its bulky size may be drawbacks for some. Number 5. Ridgid R861152. This is an 18-volt brushless high-torque hammer drill that pairs with Ridgid's max output batteries to deliver 2,000 RPM, 32,000 beats per minute, and up to 1,250 inch-pounds of torque. It features an auxiliary handle for enhanced control and a powerful brushless motor for maximum performance and longer runtime. In hammer mode, it delivers 0 to 32,000 beats per minute and offers up to 25% faster drilling compared to the R861152. Anti-kickback technology prevents overturning by stopping the motor if extended rotation is detected. Additionally, the 1/2-inch all-metal ratcheting chuck ensures durability, while the 24-position clutch allows users to match torque to specific applications. This is a great option for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts looking for a cordless drill that punches above its weight class. Number 4. Bosch GSB18V-1330C. This drill from Bosch's new Proactor line stands out for its powerful performance, made possible by advanced battery technology and a brushless motor. With impressive capabilities, it offers high-speed drilling at 2,200 RPM in its top gear and can deliver up to 1,330 inch-pounds of torque in its low gear, making it ideal for a variety of demanding tasks, including concrete drilling. The tool also boasts a remarkable 30,000 beats per minute in hammer mode, providing quick, efficient penetration into tougher materials. One of its standout features is Bosch's kickback control technology, which helps protect users by automatically stopping the motor if an unexpected rotation is detected, preventing injury from sudden jolts. Additionally, the drill comes with a unique leveling feature, allowing users to achieve precise alignment during projects. Number 3. Kobalt XTR Cordless Drill. Kobalt, a well-known brand at Lowe's, has introduced its flagship 24-volt hammer drill as part of their XTR series, designed to offer both high performance and great value. This new model, the KXHD1424A03, is more compact than Kobalt's previous flagship hammer drill, yet it still packs a powerful punch, delivering 1,220 inch-pounds of torque and capable of reaching speeds of 2,000 RPM in high gear. To put this in perspective, the older model only provided 650 inch-pounds of torque, so this new version represents a significant leap in power without a corresponding increase in size or weight. One of the key upgrades is the addition of anti-kickback control. This feature automatically shuts off the motor if the drill bit gets stuck or binds, helping to prevent the drill from twisting out of control and ensuring safer operation. Number 2. Ryobi PBLHM01. Ryobi has quickly become one of the fastest growing prosumer brands in the power tool industry, and the PBLHM01 is a standout choice for testing. With an impressive 750 inch-pounds of torque in low gear, 2,100 RPM, and 31,000 beats per minute at its highest setting, this drill proves itself as a strong contender in the prosumer category. What makes Ryobi particularly appealing is the expansive 18-volt 1 Plus platform, which includes over 280 products. This platform covers a variety of needs, from power tools to outdoor equipment and even lifestyle products. For homeowners or entry-level professionals looking for a budget-friendly, versatile tool system that offers a wide range of options, this drill could be an excellent choice. Number 1. Back plus Decker 20-volt Max Cordless Drill. The standout feature of the Black & Decker 20-volt Max, aside from its affordable price, is that it includes many of the functionalities typically found in more expensive drills. Although it doesn't match the durability of pricier models, it's still capable of handling a variety of tasks around the house, provided you don't overuse it. The 11-position clutch offers a solid range of adjustments, while its maximum speed of 650 RPM is sufficient for most general drilling and screwing jobs. It may not be as sleek or lightweight as higher-end models, but it performs well for small, quick projects. A particularly useful feature is the built-in bit holder at the base of the handle, just a simple cutout that lets you store an extra bit, which can save you time during tasks. Thank you for watching.